Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us for another HME Insights webinar. Today's session is ready for installation, how to prepare your site for Nexio HDX. My name is Carlos Terrazas, and I'm a customer success advisor here at HME. Today, we're going to walk through how to set your team up for a successful Nexio installation. Nexio is designed to support multiple conversations at once while keeping your team connected across both indoors and outdoor areas of the restaurant. But as powerful as the technology is, success ultimately comes down to preparation. The smooth installation starts well before the technician arrives. In this session, we'll walk through what operators, managers, and IT teams need to have in place to ensure a successful install and go live. We'll cover why pre-installation matters, installation requirements, the infrastructure, transceiver planning, discovery questions. Whether you're preparing for your first Nexio installation or scaling across multiple locations, this session is designed to help you avoid common delays, minimize downtime, and drive a successful rollout. Before scheduling any install, alignment on requirements is critical. There are three main areas we focus on: network readiness, physical infrastructure, system design. If these are confirmed upfront, installs are smoother, faster, and avoid unnecessary delays. Here's an overview of the Nexio network and connectivity requirements. We'll touch on the most important items today, and we'll send the full requirements guide in our post-webinar email so you can easily share with your IT and operations teams. Please review the HME network requirements, document and confirm everything is in place before the installation date. A properly configured network not only ensures the system performs as intended, but also enables HME cloud connectivity, allowing support teams to remotely monitor, diagnose, and troubleshoot issues over the air. This can significantly reduce downtime and often eliminates the need to dispatch a technician on site. Without the required network connectivity, the system's performance and support capabilities may be limited. Next is infrastructure, specifically conduit requirements. Each drive-through lane must have a dedicated PVC conduit with a minimum 1-inch diameter that is not shared with other systems. One of the most common installation challenges is ensuring all required components fit within the speaker post of the menu board. This system requires space for two key components, the SP7000 and the microphone. The post must accommodate these components with sufficient space for proper placement and installation. If any issues are identified with the existing conduit, such as size limitations, blockages, or damage, the restaurant should engage a qualified electrician to evaluate and address the issue prior to installation to avoid any delays. Now let's talk about one of the most important decisions, transceiver planning. Every store requires at least one transceiver, but systems can support up to 4 depending on the size and complexity of the restaurant. The number needed depends on store size, layout, indoor versus outdoor usage, any coverage gaps from the previous systems. Based on complexity, we categorize stores into 4 different groups. Small, which typically would have 1 transceiver, medium, typically 2, a larger store, typically 3, and anything larger and more complex, up to 4 transceivers. For larger environments, especially those with multiple levels or extensive outdoor coverage, additional transceivers help ensure consistent communication across site. Outdoor coverage is a key factor. If you utilize outside order takers or have a large parking lot where employees work outdoors, additional transceivers may be needed to keep team members connected. Line of sight is also important. Buildings, walls, vehicles, and other obstacles can impact signal performance, so additional transceivers may be required to maintain reliable coverage throughout the location. Outdoor coverage is also another key factor. At least one transceiver is always installed inside. Additional units may be installed outside based on coverage needs. Large outdoor areas may require multiple exterior transceivers. To properly design the system, we always start with a few key questions. How many drive-through lanes are there? Is there a mobile or curbside lane? What is the store size and layout? Are there multiple levels? Are there existing coverage gaps? We also ask about outside order taking, mobile ordering, and sensor integrations. These answers help directly guide the system design. To wrap up a successful Nexio installation, it comes down to preparation, confirming network readiness, ensuring proper conduit infrastructure is in place, validating the speaker post dimensions, and right-sizing the transceiver solution. When these steps are completed up front, you ensure smooth installation and optimal performance. If you'd like to revisit any of today's topics or explore additional best practices, our webinar library is available on demand. Visit our website to access relevant training and insights whenever it's most convenient for your team. We're here to support your ongoing success. And as always, if there are any questions, feel free to engage with our product management team, installation leads, or our technical support early in the process. Thank you for your time.